Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. An espresso brown ginger beige MB text interior with the eucalyptus wood trim. Sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Navigation. Hard keys for the radio. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. This GLE has 41,552 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.